Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Scholar on your phone and access research articles for free. Let's get started. First, open your Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type Google Scholar and tap Go. Now you will be on the Google Scholar search page. Type in your topic or the article title you are looking for in the search box. In the result list, check the right hand side of the screen. If you see HTML or PDF link, university or research site, tap those. They are usually free full text version. Sometimes the article title links to a paid site, but the PDF link on the right is free. If you are a student or work at university, you can sign in with your library account to get free access to articles that will normally cost money. Adding the word PDF to your Google Scholar search can help you find downloadable free copies. And that's it. You have just learned how to find and access Google Scholar articles for free using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.